Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Next gift card online, quick and easy. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. If you've got a Next gift card with you and you're not sure how to redeem it online, then here's how to do it. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar that pops up, type in www.next.co.uk and press enter on a keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official website of Next, which looks like this. Go and click on My Account tab at the top right hand corner, right where you can see a human figure, and give it a click. Into the sign in area where you can see an existing customer's level. Go and type in your email address followed by your password or your customer number followed by your password and click sign in. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and choose a product that you want to shop from the categories displayed on the top of the screen. Once you find the product that you'd like to buy, give it a click and click add to bag. Once you add the product in your shopping bag, click open your shopping bag at the upper right and click on the checkout button. Now, go ahead and provide the rest of the information, that is your delivery method, and click on the continue to payments button. In the payment area, you can choose gift card / e-voucher option and give it a click. Now, simply enter the gift card number that is available at the back of your gift card for Next. Your gift card number is 16-digit long. Simply type it in and on the next field type in your 4-digit PIN code. Finally click add gift card / e-voucher button, and that way you'll be able to redeem your gift card with a product online during checking out with next.co.uk. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.